Yeah, I realized I forgot to put my mounting pins in, so I got to take the head back off. That wasn't smart, and I'm missing one. But anyway, I caught it before it was bad. I knew something was fishy. I don't know where my mind was yesterday. Dummy. That could have cost me. Alright. Got the clip up. Alright, she's all the way into the motor or not, but we definitely don't want that piece in there. Quite a big difference, about 4 millimeters. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Pin, and she's gonna be pumping out a few more cc's. Space over here with the cylinder. Need to get some 4-stroke oil. Hey, got some right here. That'll work. It's cheap stuff, but it'll work. I'm gonna put one of my clips in here. This looks like Numera piston. Put one of my clips in. Which way is exhaust? It'd be easier. Put this one in. This is towards the exhaust. This will be the. Get my little 10W40 and just dip it in there. And that way it's all lubed up. We're ready to go. Get my last clip in there. Smart thing I always do is put paper towels back in there even after everything's clean. Just in case I do happen to lose it. And on by hand, sometimes I can't. And there it is. Note to self, probably would have been easier to put these on first. All right, so. Last one. Got one gap here. I'm gonna go back one more time with my paper towel and see that I don't have a whole lot of dust and debris and grease and all that good stuff. All right, drop our gasket down. There's a little port or oil bypass over here. There's a thicker part of the gasket, and that'll go to that side. This gasket. Alright, we're by the exhaust. The gap is. So I'm gonna go in here and just squeeze it with both fingers and lift up on my cylinder. I can even push it in with my fingernail. And we're down to the next ring. And we'll do the same thing. And take your time, because if they break, you're having a bad day. One day I'll buy me a ring compressor. The oil ring's usually a little bit easier. Sometimes you can just twist it back and forth like this. And there we go. I use Permatex on the bottom side of this. We also need to put our push rods in at this point in time. if we can sneak this muffler by here. Once. All right, we're in. That one's going. There we go. Get those. Start getting these snug down, get my stuff back together. See if we can get this carb in there. Carbonator. All right. Exactly. That is something like that. There for sure. About like that somehow. It's not there. That lines are out. That line's out. Right like that. Goes there and there. GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop. Got the vent lines hooked back through there. Got that hooked on. We'll hook that on. All right. Getting our fuel valve put back on. Check. These go back behind it, don't they? Yep. Back behind, up underneath, and around it. Yep. Around we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. All right. Man, why can't all the stuff just be popped in this way? If only these came out that quick. You know it? Little clips from hell. Do we have enough? This thing will run. Guess we better try reserve. I don't know how much gas is in there. All right, now that we really got the gas on, let's see if it'll start. Sounds a lot better. A lot. $350 with the big bore kit. No smoke yet. Oh, she's starting to smoke a little bit. We'll burn that exhaust off. Yep. Burned it off. Alright, let's give her a test drive. Put her in reverse. I'm doing this one-handed. Somebody can't drive with a shit. Oil light on. You say there ain't our oil sensor light and our fan? Now the oil light's on.
Probably is.
Hmm?
Probably is. That's the only thing kicks the fan on. This light comes on when you hook that up. But when you put the battery on it, it goes away. Like if you hook a hot battery up in there, that'll go off.
That'll go off?
Yeah, and then it'll come back on after you get around it again. Because you just unhook the...
Got a little bit of a carburetor issue.
Yeah,
That dog will hunt.
yeah, that dog will hunt.